Have you ever wondered just how far the roots of the Igbo people have spread across the globe? From the heart of southeastern Nigeria to the Caribbean islands and even Central Africa, the story of the Igbo is one of resilience, culture, and undeniable influence. The Igbo people are one of Nigeria's most prominent ethnic groups, primarily concentrated in the southeastern states of Anambra, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, and Enugu states. But their influence doesn't stop there. Beyond these states, the Igbos make up significant parts of the population in places like Delta State, Kogi State, and Rivers State, showcasing their adaptability and far-reaching impact. Did you know that traces of the Igbo language and culture can also be found in Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea? Here, the Igbo's linguistic and cultural influences remain evident, blending into the local traditions and showcasing their historical migration patterns. The Igbo story took a dramatic turn during the Atlantic slave trade. Many Igbos were taken from their homeland and brought across the ocean to new, often hostile environments. Yet, despite the harsh conditions, they carried their language and culture with them, spreading their influence across the Atlantic world. In Jamaica, the impact of the Igbo is notably present. The language left its mark in Jamaican patois. Take the word red Iboy, used to describe fair-skinned black people, echoing the recorded accounts of lighter-skinned Igbo individuals. The pronoun unu, meaning you in plural, is a clear linguistic gift from the Igbo. Moving on to the island of Barbados, known colloquially as Beam, we find another link to the Igbo people. This term, believed to come from the Igbo phrase Bimu, meaning my people, is a testament to the enduring connection between the Igbo and the Bajan community. Cuba, too, holds remnants of the Igbo language and culture, particularly in the creolized languages and the ceremonies of the Abakura society. Here, the Igbo heritage blends seamlessly with the local Afro-Cuban traditions. The story of the Igbo people is one of resilience, adaptation, and profound cultural influence, from their strong presence in southeastern Nigeria to their lasting impact on countries as far as Jamaica, Barbados, and Cuba. The Igbo have shown that their culture knows no boundaries. Their language, customs, and traditions continue to thrive and shape communities around the world. As we celebrate the enduring spirit of the Igbo people, we are reminded that their journey is not just one of survival, but of a legacy that bridges continents and cultures. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Ebony People TV for more stories that showcase the rich heritage of southeastern Nigeria and beyond.